Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can quickly add subtitles to your videos in CapCut PC. Pretty simple, just select your video and then you are just going to select the captions here. And then you're just going to select the spoken language, and then if you want to add bilingual captions you can do that. Then you're going to select generate. I think I only have like one use left, that's why it's okay. It just loaded like that. But as you can see, it gave me like a subtitle automatically. You can create your own subtitles, but it would just take forever to do. And I recommend you just doing the auto captions. Again, just like generate here. You can edit your captions if you'd like to. There are templates as well. But I think all of them are like pro features, while the auto caption is a pro feature, so I suggest just getting the whole pack. Let's see, which one do I want? Maybe this one? As you can see, it looks like this, but that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!